Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, June the 9th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today, and the previous day's trading we had a continuation of the uptrend with the market making a higher high and a higher low, but we had a spinning top type candle. That set the market up for this change of trend. The spinning top candle is an indecisive candle with the small body and the large shadow on either end, represents indecision in the market because the buyers and the sellers weren't strong enough to maintain the price action at the close of trading up around those highs or those lows. So there was a great battle between both sides, and it wasn't resolved in either side's favour. So that set us up for the potential for a change of trend, and we have a candle with a lower high and a lower low. It's a red candle. But this is very similar to the indecisive spinning top type candle again, and in fact this market is closed in the middle of the range roughly, which means that we once again have an indecisive market where neither the bulls nor the bears have taken control of this market. It's little wonder that that's happened, where this 1227 region had the potential to offer support. Previously we can see where the market held as resistance, and that was taken out previously, but now the character of that's changed and it's offering support again. So that is an important level over the next few days trading for this market. To the upside, obviously this 1250 region was always going to be an area that the market might suffer some downside price rejection, and we can see here significantly when the market tested 1250 previously, it sold off rather strongly. There is potential for that to happen again. So we do need to be aware that there could be a decent sell-off in this market if it does trade down through the 1227 level and certainly below the low of the current candle. If the market does come off, then there is potential for support at the Tenkan Sen here, which is at 1226, roughly around that 1227 region of support. And certainly at the GoldJun9th2010.mp4, which is at 1205, within this 1200 range where the market has traded down to a swing low previously and offered support. Previously we had the crossover of the Tenkan Sen above the GoldJun9th2010 giving us a bullish signal. Now we find that the GoldJun9th2010 has turned flat, and when the GoldJun9th2010 turns flat it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there is a very strong possibility that the price action will be attracted back towards this 1200 region, and if it is, then we should see the market finding support in the market, bouncing from there and attempting to trade up to around the 1227 to 1250 region again. But overall the market retains its positive bias, with the market trading up above the cloud and above the GoldJun9th and Tenkan Sen. So in all time frames the market is positive, although in the short term dynamics aren't necessarily supporting that, and we have had a change of trend to the downside in the first time frame. So we really do need to watch the high of the current candle for the potential for the market to take it to 1250 and roughly 1255 region to continue trending up on its way, or watch the low of the current candle, roughly about 1223, for the potential for the market to trade back down to around 1200.